Hi, welcome to Math Test Prep, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we find the distance with Pythagorean Theorem. Aaron drew a map showing the locations of two cities, Odin and Lundy, on a grid. The map and its scale are shown. Aaron drew a straight line from Odin to Lundy. Which of the following is the closest distance between Odin and Lundy along the straight line? So we know that we can form in a coordinate plane a right triangle, which would create, we have a right triangle here using our coordinate plane, which we know from a right triangle that we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So now we're going to identify that the hypotenuse C is our diagonal length, which is the distance between Odin and Lundy. So we can count the units from this right angle up to the town of Odin, which gives us 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from the right angle to Lundy is going to be a length of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our legs in our Pythagorean theorem are identified as the two sides of the right triangle that form the right angle. So our A and B values are 8 and 6. And you could have done 6 squared plus 8 squared. These are interchangeable, but C is not. C, our hypotenuse, has to be the side opposite the right angle, which is our diagonal length, and the distance from Odin to Lundy. So let's solve for C. So the first thing we're going to do is 8 squared is 64. 6 squared is 36. Now we're going to add them together. 64 plus 36 is 100. To find C squared, we want to know we know C squared equals 100. We want to find C. So the inverse of C squared is to do the square root, and what I do to one side, I must do to the other. So the square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of C squared is C, telling us that the distance between Odin and Lundy, that diagonal length in the coordinate plane, is represented by 10 miles.